the gaming industry will be permanently transformed by AI. Here's the reason why. Non-player characters or NPCs are set to undergo a significant leap in realism as NVIDIA and AI join forces to bring AI characters into gaming and virtual environments. Soon enough, we'll be able to engage in authentic, dynamic conversations with NPCs in GTA 6 and other games.
Showcase an immersive and dynamic interaction between a player Kai and a non-playable character named Jin. This captivating ramen shop scene was created by NVIDIA using the latest RTX rendering technologies. NVIDIA collaborated with Convey, an NVIDIA Inception partner, to showcase how developers will soon be able to use NVIDIA Riva, Nemo, and Audio to Face for AI-powered speech, conversation, and animation. These models were integrated into the Convey Services platform and fed into Unreal Engine 5 and MetaHuman to bring Jin to life. Please take a look.
Hey Jin, how are you?
Unfortunately, not so good.
How come?
I am worried about the crime around here. It's gotten bad lately. My ramen shop got caught in the crossfire.
Can I help?
If you want to do something about this, I have heard rumors that the powerful crime lord Kuman Aoki is causing all sorts of chaos in the city. He may be the root of this violence.
I'll talk to him. Where can I find him?
I have heard he hangs out in the underground fight clubs on the city's east side. Try there.
Okay, I'll go.
Be careful, Kai.
NPCs receive further validation through Dr. Jim Fan's groundbreaking research, which involves unleashing GPT-4 into Minecraft using the platform called Voyager. Through this experiment, Voyager showcases extraordinary levels of autonomy, learning, and evolution without any human intervention. In essence, it independently engages in playing Minecraft, continuously improving its performance by adapting and rewriting its code. This development holds immense significance, not only for advancing autonomous agents but also for enhancing game testing processes without human involvement. With the power of AI, Blockade Labs can already transform a basic sketch into immersive 360-degree worlds. The combination of AI and VR holds incredible promise and excitement for the gaming industry. An upcoming browser-based 3D collaborative design tool is on its way, featuring the innovative Spline tool. Imagine it as the ChatGPT equivalent for 3D design, offering a range of capabilities, like generating objects and scenes, editing objects, colors, and props, incorporating physics and randomness, implementing animations and events, real-time collaboration. In March, Unity introduced AI Command, which can be seen as a ChatGPT equivalent designed specifically for Unity. This tool has the potential to greatly expedite the non-coding aspects of game development. Notably, the entire AI Command system is open source and freely accessible. Unity is also actively constructing an AI ecosystem aimed at placing these AI game development tools in the hands of millions of developers. As part of this initiative, they recently launched their AI Insiders beta program. It's evident that the gaming industry is rapidly advancing in terms of game development using AI.